Hi, this is Written Total Parts Pro today with 2023 Volkswagen Transporter stock number 7256. Shown from the 7th 2015 to the 8th 2024. Is a CXFA 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the FXFA 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Sustained damage all around the vehicle. No panel. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.